Welcome back to Adventures with Vehicles. I'm Joe. This is the Danger Ranger. I believe this is either part 4 or part 5 of How to Kill a Ranger. So hopefully you guys like this.
That's trying to film this for you? That and the police are driving by, and I think they're doing a U-turn coming back.
Oh, you seen them fucking driving by?
Twice.
Hey, you're on private.
They'll be like, what happened? I'll be like, fuck, we don't know. We tried to talk about the drug.
Start smoking. Put some seafoam in it. Tell them that.
That bottle was fucking...
Like, oh, I just put some seafoam in the gas tank.
It was going to blow out. It didn't even blow out.
It didn't even move.
You got to put it in reverse a little bit. Get that.
It wasn't even turning hardly.
Yeah. I knew I should have welded the diff.
Yeah.
We should definitely switch tires now.
I don't have no tire to put on the other side.
That one there looks fine to me.
Hell, you need more. No cops?
No polo.
Watch out, John.
Round 2. Fight! Rim's on fire.
That's what I thought. I thought I saw fire in the mirror. And that's the gas tank side, so I was getting a little careful. And that's how you change a tire, folks. Alright, welcome back. I thought that was the end of the video, but I lied. I decided I didn't have enough fun with it, so now we're just going to beat the piss out of it. Hey, your right tire ain't spinning. tires on it.
Oh, I'm at 4 right now. I'll shove you to wherever you want.
And we'll do a loop. Let me move this thing. Here in full 4.
It's in 4.
Was it?
No.
Yeah,
It is now.
I was gonna say. What drive?
This.
You tell me where you want me to push you.
We were just parked at a river and we could make a loop around.
Oh, we're gonna go through gravel? Yeah.
Am I off of it? Yeah, you're off of it. Can you move it so I can go forward? Yep. Yeah. Here goes Lawrence. Hit it. Bring that camera over here. Check out this front end. Something broke. Oh, yeah.
It was hitting this the whole time.
Here, bring that camera over here. Oh, that ain't nothing. That's not the broken side. We may or may not have an issue. What's broke? Looks like everything. You know, it might just be jammed up into that bumper compressing the spring. I think it's just compressing the spring because the wheel's stuck in the bumper.
Watch yourself on the grass.
Hey, watch that foothold. Alright. You gonna set a shirt back? Alright, go ahead and push. Hang on, that will set my airbag off. Back up. Something broke in the front end. I have no steer. It's all over the place. Hey, it fixed it. Hey, it fixed itself. Huh? It was just wrapped up in the front end of the bumper, holding the compressing spring. Oh, okay. I think we put the steel wheels back on and it should be good to go. I didn't know if you knew how to count or not.
Nope. All right. Got it, Joe, or I can climb in there.
Bum ass on.
Well,
You don't need your hurt it anymore either.
Yeah. Someone give that a kick with their foot. The wheel's a little bent.
Kick it.
Kick it. Kick it again. Good there. Put a lug nut on. Run them over the arm.
I don't even
This is definitely a hold my beer moment.
hell yeah.
Hey y'all, watch this.
It's on.
These tires are not for highway use.
Let him pull you out of that gravel.
Hey, pull him out of that gravel. Overheat. Hang on, Lord. Don't go nowhere.
Hey, you overheated.
Let it bump out.
Hey Joe, open the hood.
Well, it did pretty good. If you'd have been two-wheel drive, I would have drug you everywhere. Want to do it again, two-wheel? No.
I do have two-wheel.
Hey, you were digging a hole right there. Oh, I know. I knew he was pulling you out of that hole. I knew for sure he was.
We have to think of something more ridiculous than this to blow this one.
Yeah, we're definitely gonna do something else.
Because it doesn't want to die.
I don't know how safe this is going to be, but something's going to break.
Well, I can tell you that research won't.
You say that now? Watch it be the thing that breaks. Watch the Ranger not break. If the research light truck comes off.
What did you do? Broke the transmission in this?
Oh, I'm pretty sure the train is shot. There's a puddle of transmission fluid on the ground. Where it was coming out the vent tube. Then you guys just back up bumper to bumper.
I try to lock up the second bumper.
I think that's going to do a lot of good. All right, everybody that's not in trucks, come over this way.
We'll walk that way. Real far.
Hey, Eric, just preload it with the throttle. Oh, yeah, there's no brake. Never mind. You can drive? 1, 2, 3. I think that'll buff out, right?
Yeah, maybe.
As long as I think you broke it.
Oh, hell, we can hook on this. No, we can't. It's not bolted down. Well, I would say that's it for TUG-A-TRUCK for the Ford Ranger. Catch you guys on the next episode. Thank you for tuning in. Catch you on the next one.